The HD Trucks, Trains, Buses, and Subways library is a high-definition set of 1,497 specialty sound effects selected from Sound Ideas General HD Combo Collection. All digitally recorded at 24-bit 96K, these broadcast wave files are fully embedded with metadata, and each HD Trucks, Trains, Buses, and Subways hard drive also comes equipped with 1644.1, 1648, and 2448 audio files. From pickup trucks to transport trucks, school buses to street sweepers, and freight trains to tractor pulls. These outstanding specialty sound effects need to be heard to be believed, so here we go. HD Trucks, Trains, Buses, and Subways library also includes a complimentary copy of Sound Ideas MetaDigger software, an easy-to-use program designed to display, search, and export metadata details from broadcast wave and MP3 audio files. The HD Trucks, Trains, Buses, and Subways library, available only from Sound Ideas.